Okay, so today let's do a quick review of the Sony HD Handycam. It's the HDR PJ540 NTSC Handycam. Small box here, you can see. Big features on it are the optical steady shot, as well as the Wi-Fi, and I'd say for the most part one of the big features is your full HD 1080 and the wonderful projector that's built in. Okay, so what comes with your package here? Well, first things first, you get the charging unit here. Okay, and we'll show you how this USB connects, and you also have your HDMI for connecting. Okay, and then we have the actual unit, which you can see comes wrapped in this plastic here. Okay, so this is actually a little bit larger than most of the camcorders I've had in the past. Well, that's because, you know, it has a lot more features. Let's say that. So you can see nice Sony lens here. You can see on the side the HD AVC HD progressive, and does come with 32 gigs built in. All right, you could add actually additional 64, so it holds up to 64 with the extra slot. Okay, and then you can see on the side there, that's the projector. As I zoom in here, okay, then you have your battery. When I purchased it, I actually bought an extra battery. And then you have this wire coming off the back here, and this wire is actually your power cable. So you pull this out, and you'll essentially plug this in to your USB here, okay? And you plug that into the wall, and that's where your charging will come from, okay? So when you first turn it on, it's going to ask you to set it up. It's going to ask you for the date, the year, and so on and so forth. And you can see here, we have the screen. Very nice large screen, very good color. It also has wonderful sound. Okay, so it does come with 5.1 true surround sound. You know, so it's got all the you know, great features. Top of the lines from Sony. You know, not the production level, but we're almost up there. Okay, and you can see here on the side, we'll close this. It's 60 zoom, zooms nicely. I'll show you some example video there. And then you have your HDMI connector there, USB, and it tells you what type of memory it uses. Okay, here for connecting a tripod, etc. It is a little bit heavier than your typical camcorder, but again, it does come with these extra nice features. You know, the projector and 9.2 megapixel still picture cameras. I mean, that's just actually amazing for these machines. So take a look what else we have here. Here's for your extra light up top here. Okay. And here's your photo shot there. Okay, so you can watch the quick video I do on the zoom feature and give you an idea of how the picture look, video look, and the sound. I'll be back with more after this week, coming to you from an island down south, and you can see the video it does. And thanks for following. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you the ability of the zoom feature. Again, zoom feature, and this is from indoors.